hurry the thing, woman.
On cooking with love.
Alright guys, welcome to a brand new episode of Cooking with Love. And every week, as you know, I'm going to have a special guest right here. And they always say they want to cook me and they're a better chef than me, but they never know what I have up under my sleeve for them or what they're going to have to cook. So you don't want to go nowhere because I have a lady here, special case in the building, I-Landvybzztv. This lady brings you so much from all across New York, Jamaica, the Caribbean, as to everything that's going on within your community that you need to know. She talks with so many reggae artists and so many things that's happening. So keep it locked. Don't go nowhere. We'll soon come back. Cooking with Love, crazy. Special occasion in the building.
Introduce yourself to us.
My name is Robert Dacus from the Heptones.
Wow.
My name is Carlton Dede Blacks from the Heptones.
I'm Earl Morgan, founder of the Heptones.
Oh my goodness, this is legend right here. You're one of my idols here, I swear to you.
No, the butterflies are
Oh, the butterflies turn around now.
Because it's the fourth time we're going to be in Jamaica, the first in Kingston, and we can see the turnout will be wonderful. You know, so we
Okay, so while we got a little break in the background noise, let me introduce, well, she needs no introduction, Miss Nadine Sutherland. Hello, Nadine.
Hello, how are you?
I am fantastic.
This is Kay with I-Landvybzztv. I am standing, that's right, the fireman himself. K-Patan himself, man. You understand?
Yeah,
What
man.
you say about tonight, man?
Well, it's more love and more blessing, you know what I mean? You know, anything for the music. You know, the music is what we live for. You know, it's...
Alright guys, so we're back. And you see that? See the interviews? This lady stay busy. I don't know how she do it because every now and then you go on her Facebook page, she has something live going on or she's interviewing, and she travel all across the Caribbean and do so much. But as a matter of fact, not gonna make no wait anymore. They're gonna make you tell you there a second. Special case in the building. What's going on, Sydney?
Nice to meet you.
Pleasure. That's what I'm talking about.
Hello, everybody.
Love right here. It's a pleasure having you here. Cooking with Love. How you been?
I've been busy, but good.
That's what I'm talking
And I
about.
like what I do.
Like what I
Showcase
do.
everybody that's doing good like you.
That's what I'm talking about. But on your platform,
Yes.
you interview so many people. Come a little closer, man. Cooking with Love is all about
I know,
love.
but I'm
'cause
kind
you
of
don't
nervous
never
because
rub,
if I'm
never
cooking
rub,
with
rub
love,
up on her.
I don't want to fall in love. But
You don't want
anyway.
to fall in love? It's are you sure?
Yeah.
Guys, that's so we're doing.
When I first heard the topic itself, the name of the show, Cooking with Love, I said, Cooking with Love, it could be different ways.
Yes.
You cook with your love,
Yes.
which could be me, never know.
Hey.
Or you're cooking with love. So anyway, it works. I
Most
love it.
definitely. And but the name comes from me having the love and passion for
Of
cooking.
course, yes.
And all the time people will be like, oh my God, you cook with so much love and passion for what you do. So I'm like, you know what? I'm going to name the show Cooking with Love.
Perfect.
But today is about you. You've been so busy.
Yes.
And I know you're heading to Jamaica shortly.
I am.
Right. What's going on in Jamaica?
Rebel Salute
Rebel
2020.
Salute. Oh my God.
Yes.
It is turned up. You have a big lineup.
A big lineup.
Nice.
Yes.
Because they recently have it here in New York. It was here
We
in New
have
York?
the Rebel Salute launch party that was held in Queens, where, you know, Tony Rebel would come and speak about what's in store for Rebel Salute, give you a little insight on the artists and, you know, what's coming up. So it's the biggest show in Jamaica.
Wow.
You know?
You know what's so funny? Because a lot of the shows in Jamaica, you used to have a Sunfest.
Yes.
The Sunfest, and the show we used to have in Jamaica that was big.
Remember Reggae
Reggae-
Sunsplash back
Reggae
then?
Sunsplash. They
Yes.
don't have it anymore?
No, you don't have Reggae Sunsplash.
What? Oh, I go in Jamaica. For real.
Them days when Reggae Sunsplash was small, you know, just like a
Yeah, just a
Not a Reggae
broke up.
Sunsplash, sure.
Guys, that's what I'm talking about.
Yes, yes.
So when you're home, what do you like to cook? When you're home?
Well, I cook a lot of fish
Yes.
and, to be honest, very light food because I don't have the time.
Okay.
I don't have the time. So No, you know, I cook light. Yeah, you fry a little fish here and there, steam it, and some vegetable. But I don't have time to cook the big dish like I see you doing here.
All right.
So I want, you know.
So all right, so
Yes.
we're gonna check you now because whatever is here, these are your ingredients.
Okay.
And Cooking with Love is all about the guests.
Yes.
I present to them what we're gonna cook, and they decide how they're gonna cook it and how they're gonna make it. So you're ready for the challenge?
I'm ready for the challenge.
All right, okay, ready. Give me a drum roll. 1, 2, 3.
Ba-da-ba-da. How are you?
Octopus.
Okay.
You got this.
Octopus. Why me forget the octopus?
This is easy.
It is? Oh dear.
Oh dear. Guys, you got this. She's gonna figure it out. She said she's gonna have to Google this real quick and come right back. So
I probably have to.
guys, keep it like I will soon come back.
You really surprised me.
No, you can't figure it out. So where do you start?
I start first by really looking at this octopus. Is dead or alive?
I think it's alive. I think it's alive. It's probably only sleeping right now.
Okay.
Guys, keep it locked and come back. She want to go Google this and come back real quick. So we soon come. We're going to break. Go check out one of the interview and we'll be right back. Soon come. Guys, I'm sorry. All right, guys. So now we're back. I'm so sorry I had to do that to you. But I think you kind of figured that out as to what you're going to do.
Yeah, but octopus, why me?
Because I know you can challenge it. You're a lady of always want to challenge stuff. So you're good with that.
I know I'm special, Kay.
Yeah.
And I know you wanted to do something special, but the octopus